Hi, welcome back to Splendid Style Sessions. I'm Martha and I'm going to be showing you what to pack for the perfect weekend getaway. So for our first look, I wanted to start with my favorite piece. This is the tie ruched mini dress. It has pockets. I love a good white dress for summertime. You just can't go wrong. This is a must-have for packing. It's super lightweight and easy to wear. I'm going to keep the styling really simple for all the outfits so it's really easy for you to pack. We're starting with a little white cowboy boot, and then we just have really simple gold jewelry, so a few chunky rings, but mostly really easy pieces that you can mix and match with. This dress, it's perfect for a hot day. You could dress this up if you're bringing heels with you on your trip, or you could also wear it to the pool over a swimsuit. Lots of options here. This is a must-have in your bag. Moving into our second outfit, we're switching over to separates. I'm obsessed with these pants. They're called the Angie Crop Palazzo pant. They're kind of I would say a mid-rise. They have a thin elastic waistband, so they're very comfortable. The loose fabric and fit is amazing for summertime. I paired them with the Enzo sweater tank for our first outfit, but I am going to show you a few different ways to wear these pants. They're so versatile. I switched up the styling just a smidge on this outfit. I'm a big white sneaker girl. I love sneakers. They're so comfortable, so I just threw on a slightly platformed fresh white sneaker. You can go shopping in this look, but you could also go out to dinner with the family. I love how the pieces pair together. These pants have cute little pockets on the back, and you can also give the tank a little tuck just for a more fitted silhouette, as I did. If you're bringing this look from afternoon to evening, I have the perfect layering piece to add on top. It's this gauze button-down top. I actually pulled this piece to layer with a few different outfits just because a white button-down is very essential for summertime. So you can definitely wear the sleeves down like this. I would probably give them a little bit of a roll, kind of a messy roll. You can also rock it off your shoulders like this. I definitely kept everything within a certain color palette. I just switched out the top and the shoes. This is the Esme Poulet tank. Look how cool it is up close. The sequin detail, I love it. It's kind of a throwback. It's super cool, and the back is also open crochet, so it's a little sexy. I like that it has like a slinky fit to the body, and then I actually gave it a full tuck into the pants. This is the kind of outfit I would wear out to dinner. I paired this outfit with the Western boots just to give it this like cool edgy vibe. Okay, final look with these pants, just a classic cap sleeve short sleeve t-shirt. This might be one of my favorite looks just because it is so chic. I even love how like my hair kind of got tucked in the shirt. Makes it feel a little effortless and cool. Not much to say about this one. It's just perfect, classic, literally can't go wrong. We're back in a dress. This is the Zena Lurex sweater dress. How beautiful is the color? I'm obsessed. It is a knit material. It's so stretchy. It's very forgiving to the body. The way I have this styled right now, I would wear out for dinner or out for date night. The fabric has a little bit of sparkle in it. It's kind of hard to tell on camera. It has a bit of a glisten and it makes you look really tan. I'm not very tan, but I feel like it's giving me a glow. And again, if you wanted to take this into the evening, we can layer with the gauze top. Although I love the way this dress looks on its own, it's beautiful and it really doesn't need much. I'm sure you have seen the tiered maxi skirt on your Instagram feed. They're very popular for the summer. I'm loving that this one's black and just a little bit different. It's very flowy. It's also double lined. There is an adjustable waistband tie. I took advantage of that and tucked in the Asher sweater tank and then used the drawstring to create a bit of a waistline here. This tank up close is a see-through knit, but it comes with a built-in tank top, which you can remove if you want to just do like a nipple cover underneath. Probably what I would do, but for the sake of this video, the tank makes a lot more sense. I kept the white boots with this outfit. I really liked the contrast it brought in. This is also the perfect fit to pair with Birkenstocks. I have one more tank top to pair with the skirt, so let's see what that looks like. Second look with this skirt, I paired it with the Luna sweater tank. This thing is so soft. Definitely a summer staple. I'm gonna give it a front tuck. And just so you guys know, every single piece I've tried on is an extra small. It's super true to size. Splendid is definitely more of a traditional women's sizing, and every extra small piece has fit my body really well. I'm 5'4" and have more of an athletic build, just for reference. I did switch out the shoes back to the sneakers. I'm obsessed. This might be my favorite outfit. I love the color contrast we got going on. This top and skirt are very lightweight and breathable. Very into this look. I have somewhere to go tomorrow, and I think I'm gonna wear it. We're all about transition, so if you're wearing this into the evening, I have the perfect layering piece. This is the Luna cardigan, so it's a very similar material to the tank top. This is a great layering piece because you could have worn it with multiple of the other outfits I showed you. That's everything I have for you guys. The biggest takeaway is spring pieces that are effortless, versatile, work within the same color palette, reuse your accessories, minimize your shoes, and you'll end up with a capsule wardrobe for your weekend getaway. Thank you for tuning in to Splendid Style Sessions. Again, I'm Martha. I hope to see you soon and have a great summer.